Hi everyone, welcome back to IT Gateway. Today I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to create a stunning PowerPoint presentation in just minutes. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who loves productivity hacks, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. I'll log in. Alright, yeah, so this is the welcoming page for ChatGPT. So first thing first, I start by defining the topic of my presentation. For example, let's say I'm working on a presentation about the impact of artificial intelligence on modern businesses. So for that one, I type prompt. So I'll just write like create, create an outline presentation on the topic. What is our topic? So if you include your topic inside the semicolon, so that will give you a clear instruction to ChatGPT. So whenever you are generating a PowerPoint presentation, so it will be more concrete. So let's type the topic. What was our topic? Let's say the impact of AI on modern businesses. Alright, so once you enter, so it will start to look at this one. So it will give you the slides. So first slide, second slide, third slide, fourth slide, fifth, sixth. So it will give you the complete slides, including the conclusion. So here what you can do, for example, if you like to change some areas, so for example, you don't like this thing, so you can just copy and just say, please don't include this. Yeah. So it will give you the another things. So again and again you can change, for example, if you want to change some things in the presentation, or for example if you like to add your ideas, so you can add your ideas, and so you can make the presentation what kind of presentation you want. So also, like, once you have all the script ready, like for example everything's ready to go, so what you can do is you can if you have a premium version of ChatGPT, so you can ask ChatGPT to generate a PDF, generate a PPT based on this information. So it will generate a PPT for you. So this is very useful tools like ChatGPT. There are lots of other AI tools, like example Gemini, and there are a few other as well, because mostly I don't use much, but sometimes when I need to create a script and all, so I use this one. So what it can do for you is, so you can so it will generate a link to download. So once you press this one, so it will ask where you want to this one. So I'm saving this in desktop. So let's go to the desktop now. So look at this one. So this is the PowerPoint file. So it is generated by ChatGPT itself. So you don't have to do anything. So whatever you have added in the script, so it's all generated now. So look at this one. You can see like 14 slides already here. So mostly what I do after generating this PPT is I can do some changes. So I would like to add some designs here. So for the design, you go to the design tab, and either you can design from here, or like or also you can go some of the suggestion designer. So you go here and it will suggest you, for example, oh, I want to start my page like this one, and it will add some uh, effect already itself. So this is very useful tool. So even like it doesn't take more than 5 minutes to prepare a proper PowerPoint file. But the thing what you need to understand is you need to check one by one. Definitely AI will do its job very well, but always it's better to check in a proper way. So look at this one, introduction, like you can change like this way. So normally in my previous video, if you notice, I use this technique AI to generate a PPT, so I can clearly explain what I try to explain in the topic. So yeah, so that's what I do normally. So after that, I'll change these things like whatever I like most. So look at this one, it's more presentable. So once you go here, this option designer one, so it will suggest you what's the best as per your content in this topic. So for example, look at this one, automation of routine tasks. So if you notice, this is auto generated by Microsoft AI. So you can see it seems like the robot. Like similarly, data analysis, you can see the chart here. So it's customer engagement, you can see lots of people are engaged in topic. So if it's a supply chain, you can see this kind of things. So whenever you present either your company or maybe in your college, university, so that will make your job easy as well as more professional. So I highly recommend follow these tricks. You'll never go wrong. So let's do more thing here. So yeah, I'll do here. I'll send this one. So what else I can do? Maybe this one. What else we can change? If it's top, so always go to design and just check the designer. So here, maybe I like this one more. Okay, so once everything's ready, so what we can do is we just go save. We can just save, yeah. You can just save because it's already the downloaded file. So just close this one for now. So once you open this one, so your PDF is ready. Look at this one. So within how long it is, I can say around 5 to 6 minutes. So we already make this one. So now, so how you do the presentation? So just enlarge this one, and once you click this button, slideshow, so you can easily use your forward button to change the slide. Or if you are working in a company, so you can use your clicker and you can present. So this is a very useful tool, so I highly recommend you to use this one. And that's it for today using ChatGPT. So I can create professional presentation quickly and effortlessly. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips like this. Let me know in the comment how you use ChatGPT in your work, your school, or anywhere you work in your life. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.